Well, that was a bit of a failed start, eh? Down to 555 here, and today I'm going to Spotlight to see if they've got any staple guns. Now Spotlight closed down for a bit because they're doing renovations, and I don't know if they're open, but anyway. So I need a staple gun to attach my leather seat upholstery that I've got in the mail to my motorcycle, because my old seat has got a big grip in it and it's looks damn right ugly. Plus the new seat cover is leather, so it will look nice and be quite hard wearing. So off we go. So originally the rip on my seat was only little, only about that big, and I patched it up with one of those repair kits you can get for the fake vinyl stuff, and it looks a bit dodgy, but it lasted about a week before it cracked again and the rip reappeared right where I patched it and just kept getting bigger and bigger. So I figured I might as well just replace the seat with something that's quality and I'll get a lot of use out of it. After all, I'm the one sitting on it every day. So the way you do it is you have to remove the old upholstery by pulling out all the staples under the seat, and then you put the new leather on the top and then staple that back into the position over the top of it all, and then voila, you've got yourself a nice seat. Oh, there's a ginormous snake on the road. Oh no, it's just a palm frond. I'll tell you what, I'm really enjoying riding today. All the cars are really spaced out. I've just pretty much just got my own little comfort zone all the way around me. It's quite nice, especially along that road. It can be a bit dangerous, especially during peak hour traffic. A few people have died along there, so yeah, people just didn't pay attention and just pulled out in front of them, or they were speeding. That was embarrassing. Oh, popped it back into neutral, idiot! Oh, I think I've gone the wrong way. And today is just not my day. I was supposed to have gone the other direction, not heading down this way. It'll take me back to the city. Oh, today's not my day. You can't turn right here. No, back on the same road I was on. It's fate. I wonder if that means that Spotlight's not going to be open and I'm just wasting my time. Back to the intersection I made the wrong turn on. Well, it looks like Spotlight's open. Let's go shopping.
Intercom failed.
So that was my new staple gun. Cost $50. Not too expensive. That was a heavy duty one. I had a cheaper one there, it was like $30, but more for just thin plastics and canvas and things like that, whereas this heavy duty one will rust or anything, and I think that's what I would need to go through the leather as well as the hard plastic. Whoa, nearly got run over. Thank goodness I got a loud exhaust. Oh come on, it's 80! There is no reason why you're not going 80. Come on. Oh, I hate going over these metal rails, eh? They're slippery. It's right in that bend. Well, I'm looking forward to doing the bike seat and getting this old tacky one off. It'll make the bike look so much better. And then pretty much the only thing I've got left to do is these mirrors here where the chrome's flaked off and it's rusty. So I'm thinking about, well, especially this side. So I'm thinking about maybe just sanding it back and then putting an anti-rust coat on it and then just painting that part there black, which I think it would go alright with the bike. It won't look as good as the chrome, but It's not like I can just paint it chrome. You've got to dip that, so it's all about the dip. And if I painted it with a silver paint, it'll look terrible. Fucking idiot. It's all about efficient riding and driving, but come on, you can't just pull out and expect someone to just slow down for you. That is basically not giving way to someone. Thanks, buddy. Well, that wraps up today's video. Hopefully in the near future I'll do a how-to video or something like that on how to staple the seat. If not, if I couldn't be bothered, then I'll just show you guys a shot of it put on the bike. Hopefully it's a nice easy job to do, staple it on. Until next time guys, keep safe out there on the roads. I'll see you next Tuesday. Looking forward to another video. Hopefully you guys are too. Like this video if you like it, and catch you later.